Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm taking you on another shopping tour of Tkmaxx Australia. I hope you enjoy. Guys, you know your girl Chelle loves shopping at Tkmaxx purely because here in Australia this is our little taste of what you guys get overseas.
Let me show you what a good time looks like.
The first thing I fell in love with was this beautiful tufted makeup chair. It also had a storage inside and it retailed for $129.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Your girl Chelle has the hugest cushion collection, guys, but Tkmaxx always brings out so many new ones that I just drool over.
If I want.
There is always so many different styles to choose from. Whether you like glam, farmhouse or modern, Tkmaxx definitely have a cushion for you.
You can do better. Let me show you.
They also have the most beautiful throws. Guys, we are going into winter here in Australia and I'm always drawn to the most beautiful soft fake fur throws. They are just so soft and definitely very affordable.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head.
The thing I love most about Tkmaxx is their range of home decor constantly changes. If you're after something in particular and you see it, you definitely have to grab it there and then because chances are you won't find it again.
I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
This gorgeous tufted bench retailed for $199.
To be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
And I thought these were super cool, guys. Check out this bike and aeroplane that retailed for $59.95.
To be wilder. Everybody's been.
And guys, I was absolutely obsessed with these beautiful candle holders. They reminded me something of Z Gallery, which we don't have here in Australia. And I just thought that was so glam and so stunning.
Anyone has been bugging me to sever the tie.
If you've been following me over on Instagram, you'll certainly know I bought these home.
Reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done.
I loved this Lazy Susan that I picked up last year and it was back in stock.
Lucky, lucky, I won't let the door.
And these gorgeous gold vases I thought were simply stunning.
That you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
And guys, if you love the big fork and spoon that is decorated in many kitchens, Tkmaxx had a range of gold and silver, and I thought they were just so stunning.
I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
They always have all year round a really stunning range of beautiful fake flowers.
My time, ain't no looking back, I'm on the
I especially loved this one and it retailed for $29.95.
Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
I was obsessed with this little perfume bottle, guys. It was just $24.95 and I certainly bought that home as well.
I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
If you're looking for a wonderful gift idea, I thought these beautiful range of photo albums were so stunning.
Then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
I love finding unique pieces at Tkmaxx. There's so many things that you can choose from that you'll never find in another store.
Get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
And guys, how amazing was this beautiful Glam cake stand?
Stronger than I ever been.
Tkmaxx also carry a range of beautiful curtains for your home. I especially loved these ones. They were so glam and luxurious looking.
Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I can't.
Now I'm back in the throw section, guys, because I'm always drawn to them. So many beautiful ones for Australian winter.
But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
I was so in love with this gorgeous Nicole Miller one. It was so luxurious, guys, and retailed for $69.95.
Stronger than I ever been.
And how amazing was this stunning turquoise feathered cushion? It was so soft and gorgeous.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
I'm always so drawn to anything that is fake fur. I was in love with these stools, guys, and they retailed for $129.95. They also carry a range of beautiful knobs. These crystal-like knobs were just perfect for a DIY project I have in mind. And there were so many Glam beautiful perfume bottles this day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy shopping with me at Tkmaxx. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.